Namaste. It is my privilege to come to you all with confidence that Telco Solar Light Private Limited, promoted by Dr. Harishande M. Access Awardee last 20 years back, served this nation and community in such a way that energy can remove the poverty and the poor can sustain with the energy and new products of lights. What we thought, this experience should not go waste. Now, post-COVID activities will be very drastic. So that is why we thought, we discussed with many our well-wishers, partners, NGOs, financial experts, spiritual leaders, educational institutions, and the outcome is, let us identify minimum 1,000 villages across the country, that too acute remote areas, and we will work on 5 verticals there: education, health, drinking water, livelihood, and solar product. Health is our priority concern. We will create the testing centers in that village itself and would like to give 24-hour service with the help of IMA doctors as well as nurses or our representatives. We would like to provide pure water to each house. We would like to take care of the education, which should be in par with the urban area and high-class private institutions like. And we would never neglect the aesthetic values of the village, especially in the livelihood sector. We would like to promote that also. We would like to create market linkage and financial assistance with the help of the financial institutions to them, and would like to make their life sustain. And also, obviously, it all should be out of interrupted powers. So that is why solar power we would like to support. These are the activities we would like to make. I humbly request with you all, the education institution leaders, spiritual leaders, financial institution leaders, and NGO partners, and the donors. Please support us with morally and financially to take care of this project, Village Care Program. Thank you. Namaskar.